Welcome to our guide on troubleshooting your SimpliSafe base station. Today, we'll go over common issues you might encounter and how to resolve them efficiently. First, make sure your base station is plugged in correctly. A loose connection can cause various issues. Next, check the battery backup. If your base station isn't working, the battery might need to be replaced or recharged. It's crucial to verify network connectivity. Ensure that your Wi-Fi or cellular signal is strong enough for optimal performance. Check the system lights on your base station. Different colors can indicate various issues, so refer to your manual for guidance. If you're still having issues, try performing a soft reset. This can resolve many minor glitches. Next, check if your sensors and devices are properly connected. Sometimes simply reconnecting can solve communication issues. Don't forget to check for firmware updates. Keeping your software up to date is vital for performance and security. If you've tried everything and still face problems, it might be time to contact SimpliSafe support for professional help. To summarize, ensure your base station is powered, check the battery, verify your network signal, and look for error signals. Don't hesitate to reach out for help when needed.